Hello, welcome to the class. I am Nilima. We'll make these Krishna frames. Look how glossy they are. So pretty. So get set to this journey. All the best.
We are using epoxy resin fast cure for pore effect. We are using these nitrile powder free gloves and clean plastic container. Now we'll mix resin. Mixing resin is a crucial part. Whatever resin you choose, on the bottle there are specifications of is it 2:1, 3:1. According to that, you will use resin. You can see I used this measuring device. You have to measure, or you can adjust with volume. Now I'm stirring it. Stir it for 4 to 5 minutes. It has to be perfectly mixed. I'm using these silicone molds. Half the liquid I mixed, I'm pouring transparent resin. In the second one, I'm using this mica powder, white mica powder. You can see how little I've used. Now stir it properly so that there are no lumps, and then we will pour in the second mold. Clear out the cup and pour out the whole liquid. We don't want to waste any. This is isopropyl alcohol 99%. We'll spray it so that there are no bubbles. Now we are adding feathers to it. You can make your own design, whatever you like. It's all about experimentation, trying something new. On this white base, I'm using these teal colored feathers. After putting these, you have to press them properly so that they dip in resin, otherwise they'll keep standing out. Be patient, it's a little tricky. We let it rest for a day. In another mold, we are preserving flowers. These are dry orchids. We poured clear epoxy resin, and now we are placing the flowers. Whatever way you like. It's a fun thing. Enjoy doing it. You must smile while doing it. For the second layer, I'm adding some sparkles at the corners, because in the middle we'll put that Krishna frame, so only the sides will be visible. Glitter has to be used very sparingly because it spreads fast. So put only a little wherever you want. I'm putting it at only the sides, half the sides. In the next layer, this white resin with teal feathers, I've poured another layer of resin, and the client wanted some pearls, some beads. So I'm putting a bead layer on the sides. You have to be gentle and push it lightly so that the resin doesn't come out. Even after putting, you have to keep checking for an hour or 2 hours or 3 hours or so that it doesn't slide to the middle. Now you can see I'm leaving the thread out so that it's easier to cut. Now these are the Krishna photographs that we'll be placing. I stick them with Fevicol or any white glue. Let it rest, let it dry completely, and now we are pouring clear epoxy resin on top to cover it completely. We'll fill the mold till the brim. This is the last step. You can pick up the molds and swirl it around so that the resin reaches all the corners. If there are some areas left, you can add more. You have to fill it till the brim, but don't let it overflow. Now, the next day, we are unmolding it. It can be a little hard. Be gentle so that you don't tear the mold. Let's see how it turns out. You can see how shiny it is. The same way we'll demold all these. Be gentle.